Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Namar baslem Conrad Sangma ban pensaya ka jingatai ke balengkot. Balawan ra ada ubah Livingston Kharpran. UMLA ka VP na Mauring Keneng. Halor ka jing penkelai ka jaka badon Klaus ka jaka karkhana. Habernihat. Da ka sorkar jela. Kumta objek Bah Ardent yu Conrad Sangma. Bahapuk ka rule lais pak bat ka rule sanpuar. Ba udkhot jong ka jing darbar ubawan ra ka mate kren. Ude ban kren lengkot. Badu ministaru ude ban jubab lengkot-lengkot. Ban kren selam palat. Kajing bitar jung Bah Ardent kalong namar ba Conrad Sangma. Ula bam palat jeka puar ban jubab. Hadu arpu praminitam.
On the Rule 300 and Rule 52, sir, no formal motion. There shall be no formal motion before the House nor voting. The member who has given notice may make a short statement and the minister shall reply shortly. So, sir, I think we have also submitted an amendment regarding that amendment brought by the government as far as the issue of Land Transfer Act is concerned. We will discuss, sir. We are ready to debate and discuss, but now we have to go by the rules, sir, because he has taken too much time on this short duration, sir. Sir,
my
please,
responsibility.
if we are to go by the rules, sir, the rule speaks out clearly that the minister shall reply shortly. We are not allowed to speak, to give a lengthy
Sir,
speech.
there were 5-6 people who participated.
Still, sir, you have to go by the rule.
Sir,
we are not allowed as members to speak, to give a lengthy speech.
I'm allowing the Chief Minister to complete his...
I would like to thank the Honourable Member, Shri Livingstone Kharpran, Honourable Member from Morankeneng, for having tabled this short duration discussion. I also would like to thank Honourable MLA from Nongkrem, Honourable Leader of Opposition, Honourable MLA from Mosungram, for having participated in this short duration discussion. Sir, in fact, I'm very happy that this short duration discussion has come up. And it is in fact an opportunity for me to clarify so many misconceptions that are prevailing regarding this project, and also to clarify the stand of the government on not only this project but also larger aspect of how the government plans to work in the future, and many other issues and concerns that other members, our local MLA, Sostenes Sotun, also had participated. I forgot to mention his name earlier. Thank you for your participation. Being a local MLA, it is obviously of a major concern to him. And I have noted down all the points that he has mentioned. So let me start by clarifying one basic misconception. The members have all mentioned, including the mover, that forest land is being converted into industrial estate in Bernihat. So the first misconception is, this is not a forest land. It is not a recorded forest land, sir. It is not in the records of the government. And hence, the first point in itself, that this is a forest land, is completely incorrect. As per our records as of today, the records clearly mention this is not a forest land. It is not in the record of the government. So let me please clarify that once. So everybody's thinking that it's a forest land is now going to be converted into industrial. It is not a recorded forest land, sir. I want to repeat it one more time. Number two, I would like to share that it is not that we just take this particular land and tomorrow itself the industries start. No, sir. The only process that we have started as of now is to transfer this land from the soil conservation and the horticulture department to the government. That is all. Nothing beyond that as of now. And the reason why we're doing that is because this particular land is currently having some activity related to horticulture and some training programs. If I'm not wrong, there are 2 or 3 programs of training going on. And as a government, we felt that this land, based on its location, is being underutilized. There is much more we can do with that land. And hence, we have decided only one thing, which is that this land should be given back to the government, which is within the department. It's just interdepartmental kind of a movement. And these other departments will be then given a separate land in some other part of the state so that they are compensated for this land which is being given to the government. That's the second misconception I wanted to clear. So we are only transferring the land as of now. Third, sir, the total size of this land is not thousands of acres as mentioned. It is precisely 137 acres. 127 acres of the soil conservation and 10 acres of horticulture. So it's a 137 acre land, not, as I said, thousands of acres as was being mentioned. So with this basic background, that number one, it is not a recorded forest land. So I think the question of us mentioning again and again forest land being transferred for industries, forest land being transferred in industries, is the first misconception that I would like to clarify. Second point, as I said, which I want to clarify, is a point that this is, as of now, a transfer of government land to government land. So from one department to another department, and the department from whom the land is being taken is going to be compensated by being given a land somewhere else. And we're doing it basically because this land has much more value and is underutilized, and it can be utilized in a much more better manner. And third, as I said, the land size is 137 acres. The Northeast United will be setting up one of the best residential football academies right here in Shillong. Large investment will be made by them. Now for them to process this, how do they process it? So it is with that intention, only to streamline this, because again, sir, I want to go back to the budget speech yesterday. If you remember my first point, which I mentioned, the 10 opportunities. The first one was private investment. And I mentioned that the private investment will require $1 billion to be invested. That's about 8,000 crores plus. Now we have that goal. But to answer, sir, I'm replying, sir. This is not correct, sir. You don't disturb when others are replying.
What is your point of order?
On the Rule 300 and Rule 52, sir, no formal motion. There shall be no formal motion before the House nor voting. The member who has given notice may make a short statement and the minister shall reply shortly. So, sir, I think we have also submitted an amendment regarding that amendment brought by the government as far as the issue of Land Transfer Act is concerned. We will discuss, sir. We are ready to debate and discuss, but now we have to go by the rules, sir, because he has taken too much time on this.
Sir,
duration, sir.
It is my responsibility.
If we have to go by the rules, sir, the rule speaks out clearly that the minister shall reply shortly. We are not allowed to speak, to give a lengthy
Sir,
speech.
there were 5-6 people who participated.
Still, sir, you have to go by the
sir,
rule.
Sir,
we are not
sir,
allowed as member to speak, to give a lengthy speech.
I'm allowing the Chief Minister to
Thank you, sir.
complete